VideoGen. VideoGen is a magical tool. It actually lets people generate videos in just a couple seconds. You give it an idea, it'll generate a script, and then it'll generate a video from that script. Now, traditionally, most people have to pay for expensive editing software. They have to buy a camera, a microphone. VideoGen is able to solve all of that. And so that can help a ton of different people, including business owners, including marketers, content creators, and a bunch more, which we'll get to in the next month.
Are you ready for the light to rise, for the stars to fall from endless skies? The door is open wide, no chains to bind.
When anyone uses that, what VideoGen is capable of. So after someone creates their account and they want to generate a video, they'll be brought to this screen where they can tell VideoGen what they want their video to be. So I'm going to ask it to make me a marketing video for my gym, tell them about how we can help them reach their goals, and include a free day pass at the end. So you can imagine a gym business owner, if they were to watch one of your pieces of content and you told them like, oh, you can make these videos really quickly and you can have like a little coupon code, a free day pass at the end, then maybe they'll just click your link and then they'll convert. So from here, you can edit your script, you can add in some other blocks, and then you can click generate video. And in literally just a few seconds, this is real time for me recording, you have this entire video.
Are you ready to transform your fitness journey? At our gym, we believe in your potential.
You can easily regenerate these different clips to get whatever you want. And you'll find that you can literally make a professional video and it really doesn't take any time at all. And take it from me, I'm a video editor and I'm used to spending hundreds of hours in order to make these types of videos. But that was just a quick demo of what VideoGen is. I would highly recommend you go in, you try it for yourself so you can understand the big problems that we're solving for a lot of different people. And we're gonna get into more specifics on what specific people you should sell to in the next module. I'll see you in there.